चल बेटा शुरू।
Hi everyone, my name is Kalpana and this is our Universe Siddha Chaitanya Nagari project. It is located in Rudrapur near Bengali colony, and today I will talk about the alkaline water theme. Okay, so first I will tell you about the advantages of alkaline water. So alkaline water has a higher pH level in comparison to a normal tap water, and it also helps to prevent such diseases like cancer and heart disease, and it is very important for bone health and as well as heart, muscles and nerve system also. So you must be thinking why I am talking about this alkaline water, because our theme is our theme, we are making a theme type on alkaline water project. So basically in our project of alkaline water, there is a slide like structure like this, and at the top of that slide we have placed one copper rod there, and inside that rod there is a motor which through that the water will come, and through that the water will filter through that copper rod, and at the bottom there are some silver lines. At here there are some silver plates and some stones which we have brought from river Ganga, Sindhu and Satluj Nadi, and the water will filter through it. When it come down at the bottom, there will the water will filter through the silver plates and the rocks of the rivers. You must be thinking that why we have placed these kind of material like copper, silver and rocks, because these all materials have their own benefits and they are unique in their own way. Because copper is a basic mineral found in our human body, inside in our human body. It helps to make red blood cells, and it also helps to make our immune system good. And silver also, silver is used for healing the wounds and many things, and it makes our blood good and red blood cells, RBCs. It makes our red RBCs. And the stones which we are using, we have researched a lot about those stones, because in the ancient times, the old time civilization, and some areas today also, people drink water from the rivers, and they have such a long and healthy, they live such a long and healthy life. So there comes a question in our mind that what is different in their water, what minerals are there. So we have researched on that water and the rocks also. The basic mineral are formed in rocks, because when the water flows through the river and the rocks also, so when the rocks have such minerals, when the water flows through the river and the rocks, the river water absorb all the minerals from the rock, and it automatically become a mineral alkaline water. So when the people drink that water, they become healthy and they live a good life. So we have also used those stones in our project, and when the water will filter through it, it will automatically become a mineral water. And after that, in that slide, there is a pipeline connected through it, which will go through a mud pot, and we will store that water in a mud pot. And after that, we will put some herbal leaves and herbal things in that pot, and when the leaves will lose its texture, the water will absorb all the minerals which are formed in the leaves. So it will automatically become alkaline water. It is very useful for drinking to those people who have heart disease, lung disease, cancer, and the people who have weak immune system. And if you don't have any problem, you can normally also in your daily basis you can also drink alkaline water, because this is very useful for your health. Thank you.
थैंक यू बेटा।